Is your computer running slow, freezing, or taking forever to start up? Don't worry. Today I'm showing you 5 easy fixes that can make your PC or laptop run faster in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple yet powerful tips that can boost your PC's performance. No gimmicks, no useless tips, just the ones professionals actually use. Let's speed up your PC the right way. Fix 1. Clear startup programs. Startup programs are apps that launch automatically when you turn on your PC or laptop. Most of them aren't necessary and can slow down your boot time. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, or right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab in the left panel to see a list of apps that run on startup. Right-click any apps you don't need at startup and select Disable. Fix 2. Enable Storage Sense for daily cleanup. Windows has a built-in feature called Storage Sense that can automatically clean up temporary files, junk, and old recycle bin items every day, keeping your PC or laptop fast and smooth. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Click Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Set the cleanup frequency to every day. Optionally, choose to automatically delete files from the recycle bin and temporary files. This runs in the background and keeps your PC optimized without you lifting a finger. Fix 3. Remove temporary files. Temporary files can build up over time and take up valuable space, which can slow down your PC or laptop. Removing them regularly helps keep your system running smoothly. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage, then Temporary Files. Select the types of temporary files you want to delete, such as temporary Windows files, downloads, or thumbnails. Click Remove Files, and finally click Continue to safely delete them. This only removes unnecessary system and app data. Your personal files are safe. Doing this regularly keeps your PC responsive. Fix 4. Set power mode to best performance. This setting lets Windows prioritize speed over battery or visuals, making your PC or laptop more responsive. By default, most devices use a balanced mode, which limits CPU power to save energy. Go to Settings, then System, then Power and Battery or Power Options on older Windows. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance or Ultimate Performance if available. This setting allows your CPU to run at full speed whenever it's needed, improving overall performance. This is especially noticeable on older PCs or laptops that are plugged in. Apps launch faster and multitasking feels smoother. Fix 5. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. This hidden Windows feature lets your graphics card handle tasks more efficiently, reducing lag and stutter, while improving overall system responsiveness. Go to Settings, then System, then Display, then Graphics, then Advanced Graphics Settings. Turn on Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Restart your PC to apply the changes. This is especially useful for gaming, video playback, or any graphics-heavy apps, but it also makes your PC feel more responsive in general. That's it for today. If this helped, hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more quick and powerful tech tips.